Patient centricity to me is really listening to the patients.
Everybody who's in the oncology world has a goal of trying to help cancer patients, but sometimes we are so laser focused on that we don't think about all the other things surrounding that person's life.
Patient centricity, it's really incorporating the patient perspectives, patient insights, patient ideas into everything we do.
This person, this human being with cancer matters, and we need to really tackle the fact that it's a person dealing with this disease.
Patient centricity for me, I look at it in three buckets. The first one is making sure that we're listening to the patients and we're building that into the way that we work.
If we're not working with patients and not understanding their perspective, then we're not able to get that 360 vision in how we deliver care and how we meet and reach patients where they are. You can bring really good science and doctors do their best for treatment, but if you're not thinking about the patient holistically, then you're not addressing optimal care, you're not addressing their quality of life.
Second is identifying opportunities to collaborate internally and externally for the better of the patients.
So we're proactively reaching out to advocacy partners across oncology, and you can often get tunnel vision if you're not bringing in those other voices.
Because at the end of the day, when we think about our purpose, the reason we exist as a company is to bring breakthrough medicines and vaccines that change patients' lives. What we do is for patients. We need to make sure that we do it with patients.
Pfizer provides support for our work and bring together all different types of cancer groups for us to work together.
Sometimes, groups are so busy doing what they're trying to do for patients, they may not realize what else is out there. Year over year, when we have these meetings where Pfizer executives are talking to advocates and learning from us, they don't just listen to us and then go on and do their work. They actually come back to us the next year and say, well, this is what we heard from you and this is what we did with it and how we're changing how we do our work because of what we heard from you.
Thirdly is addressing health equity or some of the urgent patient issues that we have.
Health equity to me, it really means that everyone, regardless of where you live, where you're from, what you look like, you have access to quality health care.
A concern that advocates have and that Pfizer shares, really working hard to try to improve the diversity of participants in clinical trials.
We're working really closely with our advocacy partners and many different leaders across Pfizer to try to drive forward how we bring clinical trials to patients where they live.
A lot of patients get in touch with me that have advanced disease, they're running out of options. By partnering with Pfizer and other partners, we're able to direct patients to the latest clinical trials, the next generation of treatments that hopefully will improve their life.
I know that every day that I go to work, I'm doing so with a heart of compassion and dedication to making a meaningful difference.
Pfizer's value around equity is incredibly personal and meaningful to me.
If I think about our patient centricity efforts 2 years from now, when I see those three things coming together, I think the future is really bright for patients.